Attention guys, these are the 5 top online hustle for 2001. It is never too late to start doing this business online to see fast results this year. Today I'm going to walk you through on the 5 top online hustle for 2021. You can call it a side hustle for the start, okay, but later on you can turn it to a full-time hustle, okay? And if you have a suggestion that you want me to make a video concerning each part of this hustle, leave it in the comment below. I'll read it and I'll make sure I'll make a video on each topics. All right guys, normally I already have some video concerning these top online hustles guys, so you can also go to my playlist and look at them to see what kind of method you can start using now to make money online. Okay, so with that being said, let's move on in today's video. The number 1 online hustle that you need to start in 2001 is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is exactly marketing others people's product to earn commission for it. I will show you 2 platforms now that you can start it. They are beginner friendly. All you need to do is to just sign up and start promoting their product. So the first platform I'm going to show you for affiliate marketing is ClickBank. You must have heard of this before. ClickBank is a beginner friendly website that you can start promoting other people's product for commission. This is totally free. You don't need any money to start this. You can go to sign up and start using this platform and promote other people's product to earn commission for that. So you need to be constantly promoting other people's product to constantly earn money for this. So our next platform is Getresponse. It's a email platform that have many features that other email platform doesn't have, like for example landing pages and conversation funnel, okay, and marketing automation. This is a very cool email marketing that I also personally use and I love them. They are really good, okay, also with their features. To promote this email marketing platform, it's very good. I mean, I find it very good because if you want to sign into affiliate marketing here on this platform, you just go down to the bottom and you see where you can join the affiliate programs. You click on the affiliate programs, okay, and it's going to take you to a place where you can sign up for free. Once again, it's totally free guys, okay, and you have 2 types of a method to earn money on their affiliate programs. The first method is that when you refer someone to their product, okay, and that someone sign up, you will get $100, and this is just only one-time payment guys. So it means you need to constantly that people sign up to your Getresponse link, okay, because you're going to get affiliate links. When someone sign up through your affiliate links, you're going to get one-time payment of $100. But when someone sign up and also purchase their product, you get 33% from their plan, and this is every month guys. This second method is the one I will recommend for you guys. First of all, let me just show you the pricing. You see they have a different type of pricing. The first one is with $15 every month, and the other one is with $14 every month, which the professional is $99 every month, and it can also still go up more than that, okay. So this depends on the plan any customer that's assigned through your links chooses to start with Getresponse. This is what is going to determine how much you can earn with them, because you just need to take 33% from, for example, $99, and this is the commission price for you, okay, and this is constantly every month. This is why I recommend you to sign for this second method here guys, okay. And the second online hustle for 2021 is CPA Marketing. That will be the second online hustle guys, and it means cost per action. When someone took action through your own affiliate links, you get payments for that. And these are 2 platforms that are top platforms that you can sign up to start doing CPA marketing, okay. The first platform is Max Bounty. You can go to Max Bounty and go to register at Max Bounty and start marketing their product. The second platform is called Performance CB. I'll leave all the link in the description. It's also the same process, okay. You go here and sign up Okay, go to apply to be an affiliate, and you can start promoting other people's products. Okay, and when someone took action, it might be a sign up action. When somebody click on your affiliate links and someone sign up to a service or product, you get paid for that. So let's move to the third online hustle, which is content marketing. Content marketing, guys, for those who has never heard this before, content marketing is marketing with content. So you just can go to Google and go make research about content marketing. Content marketing is strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable and relevant consistent content, guys. So this means that you can create content, you start creating content and also insert marketing link to that, and you get paid for that when somebody sign up through or bought something through your link. Okay, how to do this, guys, is very easy. You can do it also with through blogging. You can do this through forums. If you want me to make a video about this, you can write it in the comment. Okay, suggest this in the comment, and I'm going to make video on this in the next features. You can get for a very cheap price a blog domain. I mean, I recommend buying a domain for this and creating your own blog and content. All right, so you can go to Bluehost and you can get for €3.30 per month. That is equivalent to almost $5 per month. Okay, and you will get a free domain name for the first year. Okay, and you get a free SSL certificate included and one-click WordPress installed. Go and sign up to Bluehost and obtain a domain. This is how to do it, how to create a blog professionally. All right, and start creating content and valuable content out there, guys, that help people. It might be on any niche you want. It might be on food niches, on any niche you want, guys. And then you go find an affiliate program to promote that suits your niche. All right, so this takes me to the fourth online hustle you need to start, guys, in 2021, which is YouTube. To create a YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail account, and after you have a Gmail account, you can create your YouTube channel and start creating content video. And after that, when you start creating content, you can then monetize your YouTube channel. Before you monetize your channel needs to fit into the YouTube inquiry to monetize your channel. Okay, which is you need 1,000 subscribers and you also need 4,000 watch hours, guys. Okay, 4,000 watch hours. When you get this, you can start monetizing your videos. The fifth online hustle is dropshipping. What is dropshipping? This means that when a customer buy a product from your store, that you need to list a product on your store. This is your store here, and somebody bought this product, and then you are going to go to supplier and order this product, and this supplier will send it to your customer's address. Okay, that's what you're going to do. This is what they call drop shipping. The best way to do this professionally is that you get your own website. Okay, you can also go to Bluehost and get your own website and then start listing product. Don't worry, I will show you soon where you can get product to list on your website and start promoting this product. When someone buy this product on your website, you can then go to the manufacturer and start ordering this product and send it direct to your customer, which you already have your own gain in the payment. To get product, you go to a website called Alibaba. Here are many different type of products and with manufacturers, okay, worldwide. You just need to go to the product which you think is suitable for your niche and start listing them on your website. And when somebody bought this, at least, for example, when you list the product for $50 and this product costs $20 from the manufacturer, so you get the $30 gain for that. Okay, so this is how to do drop shipping. Or you can also go to dropshipping website like, for example, BigCommerce. They have their own pricing, guys. Let me show you the pricing. You need to invest at least $30 every month on this website to run your online store. What you're going to get is that you're going to get a domain, and you are going to get some apps to use for marketing. All right, you can also go to Shopify. First of all, in these two websites, you get a 14 days free trial. Let me just show you the pricing. You can see here they have $29 every month. Okay, you have your own website name, and you also gain access to other apps that you can use to promote your product. Okay, this is what you don't have when you get your own, when you create your own website with web host yourself. Okay, this is what you don't have. You need to do all this yourself, but it is the cheapest way to have your own online store running. So these are the top 5 online hustle I want to show you guys. And if you know you like this video, make sure you give this video a like and leave in the comment a suggestion on what of these top 5 online hustle you want me to make videos on, to give you more details on how to go about it. I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and make sure you like, share, show some love on this video, and I will appreciate that.